What's going on? This is Mike back again, yet with another detail. This white Dodge diesel half-ton truck is in for a full detail, and let's see what we got.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
How I normally start most of my details, which I start with the engine before I get to the tires. This is the full engine detail with the degreaser, wheel woolly, detail brush, the whole shebang.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
Now it's good practice to also have a separate setup for your engine detailing and the wheels so they don't get contaminated back and forth with one another. So having two wheel woolies, two brushes, and several detail brushes is ideal in these situations. I pulled the pressure washer out for just the rims and tires and pressure washing down just the dirt and debris that was on this truck, and of course got to do the undercarriage. This piece I used for the undercarriage I bought with my pressure washer setup. Links will be in the description below so you can take a look at it. Now I'm going to start with the rims and tires, get this all clean before I start the wash, but I am going to put a poll up here. Let me know what you think about these split screens. I've been trying this out on some of my videos. Let me know what you think. a iron remover from about the handles of the truck, the door handles of the truck, down, rims, tires, brakes, calipers, the muffler pipes. Let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and when it sits, it turns into like a purplish color, which shows you that it's removing the iron particles from the truck. Take a look at this. After you let that sit, you hose everything down. Then I use my blaster to blow the air, dry the truck off. Of course, my bulldog, my little shadow, she comes out. She wants to play the whole time, but you gotta watch her. This is pretty funny. After I'm done with the outside, I move to the inside. I start with the vacuuming. I've already moved all the trash already. We get this taken care of. I have to get the lily brush. As you can see, there's a lot of dog hair. I'm going to leave a link right up here. I've done his wife's car before. Man, you guys see the dog hair in that vehicle that I had done before in the Dodge Durango, I believe. I'm going to post that up right here. So on the outside, all I did was like a wax and a polish. Was not too bad on the outside. My son, which I had him use the light metal polish, he did the bumpers and rims or the rims, and it actually came out phenomenal. I like the way it came out. About to show you here in a second the final ending. After about 8 hours of work, it was just under 8 hours. Final product inside of this 2018 looks like a 2018 again. Came out really good.